it's Gina with WTI. Are you like me and never repot your plants from those terrible plastic planters that they come in from the store? Well, no excuses anymore because you can get an amazingly beautiful mosaic ceramic pot from Chonsun. When I saw this online, I knew it was going to be pretty, but I was completely blown away by how beautiful it is in person. These mosaic glass pieces are so sparkly and gorgeous. They're going to reflect whatever light is around them, but when the sun hits them especially, it is just dazzling. This pot is just under 5 inches and it has been perfect for putting my succulents in. There's a nice drainage hole at the bottom with a plug in it, so when you water, you can let it drain, but then it's not going to make it messy either. This comes with a rope hanger already attached to it, and it's easily adjustable so that you can fit it into whatever space that you want. As you can see, I tied it at the top in order to hang it underneath a cabinet in front of a window. I'm so pleased with how this looks and how it's just brightened up the area that I put it in. I think you're going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.